Hi everyone, TinkerManRc. Today I wanted to go over some modifications that I did to the SeaGull Harmon rocket. Okay, first thing I did was on the landing gear, I installed some different struts on the landing gear because the original ones out of the box were a little bit, they couldn't support the weight. So this particular landing gear is out of the Hangar 9 RV8. It bolts right up. So that gave it its rigid stiffness that it needs for when it lands. Okay, on the motor, on the electric motor. The last flight I was running the Trinergy 4268 500 kV motor. This time I'm running 600 kV motor on a 1212 prop. And just to give you some idea the power this thing has so that you know, before we go, I'll just hit it and you can hear this thing roar. So that's just to give you some idea, what, in case you're wondering. So we'll see how fast she is, and as you've seen me install the Garmin, so we'll take it up, do some speed runs, and then we'll record the speed. So I just want to kind of go over, you know, what I've done to it. So let's get it up and see how she goes. Okay, we're going to come over center and go up. Got a little wind. There she goes, picking up speed. Okay, one more pass, guys. We'll see what she does. Last high-speed run with that new motor. Okay, coming in land. Okay guys, let's see what the speed run. Boy, she was humming pretty good there. Got that new gear installed, we strengthened it up a little bit, so let's take it back to the pits and see what she recorded for speed. 122 miles an hour, guys. There you go. 122 miles an hour on the Harmon rocket. That's sweet. She scoots along there, as you can see. It's kind of hard to tell, but when you get up at the tree line, she's moving. So, thanks for viewing TinkerManRc. New speed on the Harmon rocket. 122 miles an hour. That's moving. Thanks for viewing TinkerManRc.